Yo, what's up everybody? It's Your Name back with another video. And today we are diving deep to the world of data science. Specifically, the AI tools that are completely changing the game in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. We're talking faster processing, cleaner analysis, and the ability to unlock insights you didn't even know were there. This is like upgrading from a flip phone straight to the latest foldable, except instead of a better camera, you get like better algorithms. So, if you're ready to level up your data science game, you're in the right place. Stick around because we're about to break down the top 10 AI tools that you absolutely need to know about in 2025. Oh, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more content like this. Let's get right into it. First up we have TensorFlow. This is like the OG of AI tools, developed by Google no less. And it's used for everything from image recognition to natural language processing. We're talking serious horsepower here. TensorFlow's claim to fame is its flexibility. It's like a Swiss Army knife for data scientists. You can use it to build all sorts of AI models, from simple to super complex. Plus, it's open source, meaning there's a massive community of developers constantly pushing the boundaries. One of the coolest things about TensorFlow is its ability to run on pretty much anything. Your laptop, a server farm, even your phone. This portability is a game changer, especially if you're working with massive datasets. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. TensorFlow can be a bit of a beast to learn, especially if you're new to coding, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. So if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and widely supported AI tool, TensorFlow is definitely worth checking out. Next up we have PyTorch, developed by Meta. This one's been making waves in the AI world, and for good reason. PyTorch is all about flexibility and ease of use. It's known for its intuitive interface, which makes it a favorite among researchers and developers. Imagine building a complex AI model with the elegance of writing a simple Python script. That's PyTorch. One of the key advantages of PyTorch is its dynamic computation graph. Unlike TensorFlow, which uses a static graph, PyTorch allows you to modify the graph on the fly. This makes it super useful for tasks involving sequences like natural language processing. Plus, PyTorch plays nicely with Python, which is like the lingua franca of data science. This makes it super accessible, even if you're not a coding wizard. So, whether you're building the next big AI-powered chatbot or just dipping your toes into deep learning, PyTorch is a tool you definitely want in your arsenal. Alright, let's talk about Keras. This one's all about making AI accessible to everyone, not just the coding ninjas out there. Keras is essentially a high-level API that runs on top of TensorFlow. Think of it as the simplified version, kind of like the easy mode for building neural networks. What makes Keras so great is its simplicity. It abstracts away a lot of the complexities of deep learning, allowing you to focus on building and experimenting with models. It's like having a pre-built Lego set instead of starting from scratch with a pile of bricks. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Keras is still incredibly powerful. You can use it to build all sorts of sophisticated AI models, from image classifiers to text generators. So, if you're looking for an easy-to-use yet powerful tool to get started with AI, Keras is the way to go. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about Scikit-learn. This one's a bit different from the deep learning behemoths we've covered so far. It's all about traditional machine learning algorithms. Scikit-learn is like the Swiss Army knife of machine learning. It's got everything from classification algorithms to clustering algorithms to dimensionality reduction techniques. You name it, Scikit-learn probably has it. One of the best things about Scikit-learn is its consistency. All the algorithms follow the same API, making it super easy to switch between different approaches. It's like having a universal remote for your machine learning workflow. Plus, Scikit-learn is built on top of other popular Python libraries like NumPy and SciPy, which means it integrates seamlessly with your existing data science toolkit. So if you're working with structured data and need a reliable, versatile machine learning library, Scikit-learn is a no-brainer. Alright, let's talk big data. If you're dealing with massive data sets that would make your laptop cry, then Apache Spark is your new best friend. Spark is a distributed computing framework that can handle petabytes of data without breaking a sweat. It's like having a supercomputer at your fingertips. One of the key advantages of Spark is its speed. It can process data up to 100 times faster than traditional Hadoop systems. This is because Spark processes data in memory, which eliminates the need for slow disk reads and writes. But Spark isn't just about speed, it's also incredibly versatile. You can use it for everything from batch processing to real-time stream processing to machine learning. So, if you're working with big data and need a tool that can keep up, Apache Spark is the way to go. Let's face it, not everyone wants to be a coding wizard. Some of us just want to get our hands dirty with data without having to write a million lines of code. That's where RapidMiner comes in. RapidMiner is a visual data science platform that makes it easy to build and deploy AI models without writing a single line of code. Think of it like a drag-and-drop interface for data science. One of the best things about RapidMiner is its ease of use. You can literally drag and drop components to create your data pipeline. It's so intuitive that even your grandma could probably use it. But don't let the simplicity fool you. RapidMiner is still a powerful tool. It comes with a wide range of pre-built operators for everything from data cleaning to machine learning. So if you're looking for a no-code solution for data science, RapidMiner is definitely worth checking out. Next up we have Kneim, another visual data science platform that's making waves in the industry. Kneim is similar to RapidMiner in that it allows you to build data pipelines using a drag-and-drop interface. However, Kneim is open source, which means it's free to use and has a massive community of developers contributing to its growth. One of the key advantages of Kneim is its extensibility. It has a modular architecture that allows you to easily add new functionalities using extensions. This makes Kneim incredibly versatile, as you can customize it to fit your specific needs. Plus, Kneim has a strong focus on data integration. It supports a wide range of data sources, making it easy to pull data from different systems and combine it for analysis. So, if you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and open-source data science platform, Kneim is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about H2O.ai. This one's built for the big leagues enterprises looking to deploy AI at scale. H2O.ai offers a suite of AI tools that are designed to make it easy for businesses to build, deploy, and manage AI models. One of the key advantages of H2O.ai is its focus on automation. It automates many of the tedious tasks involved in building and deploying AI models, freeing up data scientists to focus on more strategic initiatives. Plus, H2O.ai is built for performance. It can handle massive datasets and complex models with ease. I actually had the chance to use H2O.ai on a recent project, and I was blown away by how easy it was to use. We were able to build a fraud detection model in a matter of days that would have taken weeks using traditional methods. Alright, let's talk about DataRobot. This one's for all you busy bees out there who want to get the benefits of AI without having to become data scientists yourselves. DataRobot is an automated machine learning platform that makes it easy for anyone to build and deploy AI models. Think of it like having a personal data scientist on call 24/7. One of the key advantages of DataRobot is its speed. It can automatically build and test hundreds of models in parallel, finding the best performing model for your specific dataset. This saves you a ton of time and effort. DataRobot isn't just about automation, it's also about accuracy. It uses state-of-the-art algorithms and techniques to ensure that your models are as accurate as possible. Now, DataRobot isn't exactly cheap. It's an enterprise-grade platform that comes with a hefty price tag. But if you're serious about AI and need a tool that can deliver results quickly and accurately, DataRobot is definitely worth considering. Finally, let's talk about IBM Watson. This one needs no introduction. It's been making headlines for years, from winning Jeopardy to helping doctors diagnose diseases. Watson is more than just a single tool. It's a whole ecosystem of AI services that can be used to build all sorts of intelligent applications. One of the key advantages of Watson is its breadth. It offers a wide range of services from natural language processing to computer vision to machine learning. This means you can use Watson to build just about any AI-powered application you can imagine. Plus, Watson is backed by IBM, one of the biggest and most respected names in tech. This gives you access to world-class support and resources. So if you're looking for a comprehensive AI platform that can take your business to the next level, IBM Watson is definitely worth checking out. So, there you have it, the top 10 AI tools that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. From deep learning behemoths to no-code platforms to enterprise-grade solutions, there's an AI tool out there for everyone, no matter your skill level or budget. The world of AI is constantly evolving, so it's more important than ever to stay ahead of the curve. These tools are just the tip of the iceberg, but they represent the cutting edge of what's possible with AI and data science. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. Until next time.